igama elithi blind vele iphuma from eskas for name blind Mojito.
Wena isho ukuthi angazi angiboni but isho ukuthi into egrand ngoba iblind ihamba kahle.
Yeah, very intelligent. So that's what we're here to do today. So the first cocktail we're gonna do is called Blind Mojito. You cut your lime.
Yeah.
Make sure you rub it against your chopping board.
You rub the lime against the chopping board?
Yeah, so give it love, give it love, give it love.
Why?
So you can get all the juices you need from there. Oh. You know, when you touch something, you rub it nice and soft.
Hey, when you touch something, you rub it nice. Hey, where's this going?
Yeah,
I thought we were making cocktails. Hey, Mama, come back here. Where are you going?
No, we're all about love here. Moja Love, yes. So the next step is we're gonna cut across. So,
okay.
Yeah, so diagonal.
Why across?
So now when you cut, let me just make a demonstration. When you cut your fruits diagonally, you're gonna get a round circular shape. It's very beautiful. It's a very beautiful shape. You could even use it. Yeah, that's correct. You could use it for different kinds of cocktails that you're gonna do. But for today, we're gonna do it for the Blind Mojito. So then the next step, slap your mint so you can activate the flavors.
Oh, ushanya mpama.
Yeah,
to activate your flavor.
Yeah, and then from there you cut it in half and put it in your shaker. The next step is we're gonna add sugar syrup into our mix when you muddle.
Alright.
The next step, you're gonna take your shaker and then you're gonna measure 30 ml. So each side is 25 and 50. So you're gonna use 25 full. Then the next part now of the mojito that brings out everything together is you're gonna use your muddlers. Yeah, make sure you get all the juices out from your fruits and everything gets to be mixed nicely. Then from there, you're gonna add your liqueur. You're gonna add 20 ml of LANIQUE. Add 25 ml of rum.
20 together, 25 mils of rum.
So the nice thing about using soda water is that it complements all the drinks together and then blends everything into one. The last part is the garnish.
Alright.
We leave the top part, and then if your stem is too long, you just cut it a bit at the bottom. From there, you just add your strawberries on top. On top of your drink. Yeah, you see.
Yeah.
So
Looking fresh now.
so hence our slogan, your taste bud explosion.